This research focused on a site called Odoyo Empire, a pre-colonial West African empire dated between 1570 and 1836. Odoyo Empire was a very, very powerful empire in terms of military strength. A lot has been said about how horses really helped Oyo Empire in achieving this influence over the surrounding environment, and even extended to the modern day southern Benin Republic, you know, that is close to southwestern Nigeria. But nothing has been said about horses, about other roles horses played, about the horse's life, what becomes of a horse after it's helped humans in welfare and transportation. How were they killed? Was it intentional? Was it you know involuntarily? So this is what my research kind of explored. So I analyzed 153 Equid remains from Odoyo Empire, you and this analysis focused on paleopathology on the bones, cut marks, and I did age at death analysis on the available cheek teeth of horses and donkeys available on this site. So results shows that the relationship between equids, especially horses and human, was actually very, very complex, more complex than transportation and human warfare. So we saw that horses were consumed by humans. So you can see from the cut marks in figure 2, 4, and then we also have a lot of cheek teeth broken into pieces, maybe like two at least two places, which kind of shows that humans were consuming horses at this period. We also show evidence of skinning in figure 4, where there's a cut marks around the distal epiphyseal of a bone. So horses here actually probably were experienced like they lived in a very, very harsh environment. The environment is rainforest and savanna, which is known for having some of the deadliest horse diseases in the world. Horses had small stature. The horses here were very, very small, as you can see in the image. Some of the images here shows that horses were really, really small. The reason for this is probably because of the environment too. The horses had to survive a lot of harsh environment, and some of them probably adapted with a small body. This is something that is close to what we see in other animals in West Africa, especially in southwestern Nigeria. The goats here are also short. A lot of animals here are really small statured. Also, finally, we have donkeys. Donkeys in figure 3A shows that donkeys were also present in Odoyo Empire. However, there's need for more research to understand what specific roles donkeys played. Was it similar roles to horses? Were they different? And this is some of the other things I hope to explore in my research. Thank you.